So now we have this one called Gabonese flag shortcuts. It's optional, so it doesn't affect your levels. In this puzzle, you will create a Gabonese flag with just one line of code. As you can see, there are multiple ways to achieve the same result in coding. So we're going to update the dropboxes function to finish the Gabonese flag. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit the string to have the 3 letters for each stripe with a space in between each of the colors. So we need to finish it, and let's look at the code. It's green, yellow, and blue, just so you guys remember. So let's complete it. We got green, 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 and then it says yellow, 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 space, and then 3 of blue, B, B, B. And let's solve it. Perfect. We're done.